Let's show you how to make one of the best mini blueberry cake. You'll need a cup of flour, teaspoon baking powder, then sieve. I'll be using half portion brown sugar, half portion granulated sugar. Add your butter. Start to incorporate butter and sugar. Add your egg, 1 spoon vanilla extract. Add your flour in. Add a bit of milk in just to keep it moist. Remember to mix well. Add a few blueberries in. Add blueberry in each of these. And fill these up. Put a couple blueberries on top. So these are ready now. So love there. Enjoy.